Dumaan na sila.
Wife mo naman?
Ah, dumaan.
Arvin, down 0-3 sa series.
We got one more chance. Diba? We'll see what happens in Game 4. Siguro, ano na yun eh. Literal na do or die na eh. But we'll see. See on Wednesday.
Tingnan nung what's difficult for you guys na maging competitive sa Ginebra after 3 games?
Well, we all know naman Ginebra is a very experienced team. They have Coach Tim Cone. They have 5 or 6 national team players, and they've been together for a long time. And siguro we beat them nung elimination, but they were able to adjust sa amin nung playoffs, and then till now we're still looking for answer. A lot of things are not clicking, so good thing we have one more chance. See you, bro. Which is on Wednesday. Dito rin. So we'll see. We're new actually in the semi-finals. But you know, that's not even an excuse. Yeah.
Kumusta yung atmosphere sa Davao?
We're just really trying to be positive. We actually overachieved this conference, and yeah, just staying really positive and sticking to each other. It's really a hard thing to do right now, being down 0-3. But I can't say we're good right now. We're down, but you know, yung moral ng team is, I can say okay pa naman. Okay naman kami.
Back-to-back throughout process, ano lang yung naging message sa inyo ni Coach Tony?
Well, right now we'll have practice, and I said, yeah, we'll have viewing again and see. Okay naman si Coach Bonnie. He's staying positive also. And of course, as a coach, diba, medyo may frustration din. Okay naman si Coach. We're okay as a team.
Arvin?
Para sige, Arvin.
Going to the semis, would you foresee na ganito yung magiging...
Not really. Hindi sir. Actually, mataas yung namin kumpiyansa namin coming into this series. Kasi first, panalo kami sa kanila ng Elims, so may mental advantage kami sa kanila. We had also 2 weeks of preparation, so hindi nga actually namin expect yung ganito. It happens.
Bulaga kayo?
Oh. Yeah, I can say that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you.
See you.
Nice day.